Hello everyone and welcome to Medgrind. I hope you all are doing well. First of all, congratulations on completing your MBBS degree. In today's video, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to apply for permanent registration with the medical council after MBBS. I'm going to share valuable information that will help your registration process smooth and stress-free. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any important updates. Now let's get started. First of all, permanent registration is essential because it officially grants you the license to practice medicine in India. Without it, you cannot legally work as a doctor. So before you apply, you must meet these eligibility requirements. You must have completed your MBBS degree from an MCA recognized medical college. Plus, you have successfully completed your 1-year compulsory internship, and then you already hold a provisional registration certificate. Now let's look at the documents you will need. Make sure you prepare both soft copies and hard copies for these documents. And to make this process easier, I have attached the download link for the self-declaration form in the description below in this video. So first of all, let's open any browser and search Punjab Medical Council. Click on the first link and it will open this page. Then you go to apply online. So it will open this page. So if you have an account already, then you can simply log in, but if you have not, then you click here to create your profile. You fill in your name, your father's name, your email address, and then your phone number, date of birth, and then create your login password. Fill your password again just to confirm, enter the captcha code, and then you hit the register button just on the bottom of this page. Once this is done, you will receive OTP on your phone number. Then you go here again, fill in the email ID, password, captcha code, and then log in. This is how exactly your profile will look like. Left hand side you will see my profile, application status, payment history, and then apply online. We will go to apply online. It will give you a list of all the documents that you need to apply for. In our case, we will click on application form for permanent registration and then click on apply now. So for the graduates of Punjab, we will choose application form for permanent registration after passing MBBS. The second one is for the graduates who are out of Punjab, and the third one is for foreign graduates. Today I will be telling you for the graduates who have passed from Punjab. So apply now. This is the next tab. So for the medical qualification, your degree, year of passing, state, of course Punjab, because we are applying on the official website of Punjab Medical Council, and then the name of your university, for example Baba Farid or AIMS, and then the name of your college, and then the date of joining, approved hospital for internship, basically the start date of your internship, and the name of the hospital where you have done your internship, and the date by which the internship has been completed, so the finishing date of your internship, and then the provisional registration number. Then you have to look it up on your certificate. You will fill in here, and then the date it was granted to you. And if you want to change address, if you want to, you can just click yes, and if you don't, just say no. And then the working place address, if you're working somewhere, let's say in my case I was working in AIMS Bathinda, so that's what I filled in. And for remarks, I simply put in applying for permanent registration. Once everything is done, you can simply hit on save and go to the next tab. It will again give you the list of all the documents that you need to upload to the official website. By this time, I do expect you guys that you have already saved all the documents in your computer. So go to choose file, choose the respective file, and don't forget to hit on upload. Again, the document list. And once you have uploaded all the documents, this is how it will look like. And let's say if you want to change any of the document, you can simply delete and upload it again. And next comes the breakdown of application fee for your permanent registration. So this is the total amount that you have to pay, and then pay now, and then you can do the payment. So for the processing time, it usually takes 4 to 6 weeks after submission. And here are a few tips to make sure that there are no delays. Always double check that all the documents are correct, clear, and are properly scanned. Avoid spelling or detail mismatches as they can slow down the process. Lastly, keep both digital copies and hard copies of your documents safe. So this was the entire process of applying for your permanent registration after MBBS. Once you receive it, you will officially have a license to practice medicine, a very proud moment in your career. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I would love to hear your feedback in the comment section below, and if you have any questions, you can also reach out to me at my email or simply leave a comment. I'll be more than happy to help you all. Until next time, this is Medgrind, empowering doctors and dentists on their professional journey. Thank you.